What's your name?
Lila.
No, what's your real name?
Pedro. And what's your name?
Marco.
ये नोट पहचानते हैं आप?
क्या सर 500 के नोट लेके सुबह सुबह आ जाते हो? बड़े केस उठाओ, जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलेगी आपको।
Who's that?
It's my mother.
You have her eyes.
My wallet.
What was in your wallet?
It was $50.
Okay.
I had to replace all my IDs. I had gift cards in there, my earpiece, and a calculator.
There was no earpiece in her mouth.
I love it.
A limited edition Braille Playboy from 1977.
Damn.
What's something that you really hate about a guy?
When I'm trying to go to the bathroom on 6th Street and they're like, hey, can I ask you a question?
Zeus himself, strike me down if I'm lying. Hey, didn't strike me though.
Hava gandu.
Huh?
Hava gandu.
Hava?
Gandu.
Hava gandu.
Who's the best player in the world ever?
For me, the best player in the world ever, Diego Maradona.
Rio.
Me.
Somebody once told me the world.
But are you a girl or a boy?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Can you say Miguel?
Miguel?
I heard it from the man. There's a man in there.
No, there is no. Trust me.
Try to relax your anus.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
Alright, Abby, you almost ready?
Hold on now. Girls gotta take her time getting pretty. You think all this was an accident?
Yes, you were.
Excuse me, I'm doing a survey. I wonder whether I could ask you a few questions.
Yeah, it's fine.
Great. If you were approached in the street by a robber, do you think you'd be able to defend yourself?
No.
Good. Give me your money.
Hey, seriously, if you just tell me whose this is, I'm not going to be upset.
It's yours. I'm telling you. There's
It's
no
not
other
mine.
Alexander's mom calls him the most perfect boy in the world.
She's right.
I love your confidence. When diagnosed with cancer.
Oh, he's talking to you guys.
मैडम ये दिन प्रतिदिन खूबसूरती का राज क्या है?
तेरा लवड़ी.
Next, protect the house. Rafi, protect the house. Rafi? Hello?
A. Bangkok. B. Bang Dick. C. Bang Pussy. Vai D. Bang Tits.
Why do you wear suits everywhere? Every place you wear a suit.
Okay.
Why do you wear that hair everywhere?
Different hairstyles.
Yeah, but it's still not your hair. Did I say something back?
Is this guy, is he serious right now?
Brought along some nuts and bolts that I found. Well, I say found, unscrewed.
Where did you unscrew them from?
I'd rather not say.